Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today is our fourth video of a series of videos involving the order of operations using PEMDAS, or the more comprehensive term, GEMDAS. And before we start our big example, let's go over the GEMDAS checklist in order of importance. The G stands for grouping symbols, which includes brackets and parentheses. The E stands for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. And with that in mind, let's start our big example 4, which is 80 divided by the quantity of 10 times 4 minus 1. Notice that I said the quantity of 10 times 4. This means that we have to do parentheses first because it is the most important part of solving this problem. And with that in mind, we can go to our next step and say that 80 divided by 4 minus 1 will equal a number. And how do we get 40? Well, we did what was inside the parentheses first by multiplying 10 and 4 together to get 40. And let's go from left to right. And remember that division is more important than subtraction. And so we're going to divide 80 by 40. 80 divided by 40 will give us 2. And then we can subtract this 1 from this 2. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. And our final answer is 1. So as you can see in this example, you will notice how you will have to really go through this checklist to make sure that you're going through the right steps to solve this problem. A parentheses, solving what's inside parentheses is an important part of the order of operations, and it will be a good time to pause the video and look at it or play the video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of using the parentheses as it relates to order of operations. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.